No way.
And you can even bring it closer to you.
Top 10 mind-blowing features of the Apple Vision Pro. Welcome to Everything Vision Pro, and today we're counting down our picks from the top 10 mind-blowing features of the Apple Vision Pro. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest updates about Apple Vision Pro. Now let's get started. Number 10. Spatial computing magic. Starting off our list at number 10 is the fact that Apple doesn't just call it a headset, it's a spatial computer. The Vision Pro offers you an unparalleled blend of the digital and physical world. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's an experience. Spatial computing is like stepping into a whole new digital dimension with Apple's Vision Pro. It's not just a headset, it's like wearing a magical pair of glasses that can blend the digital world with the real one. This device takes everything to the next level, letting you see and interact with things in a way you never thought possible. Whether it's showing 3D images in your actual space or transporting you to an entirely virtual world, the Vision Pro is like having a superpower for your eyes. You can control it with just your eyes, hands, and voice, making the whole experience feel like pure magic. So in a nutshell, spatial computing is about breaking the boundaries between the real and the digital, giving you a mind-blowing and immersive adventure with every use. Number 9. No controllers, all gestures. Forget about those clunky controllers. At number 9, we have the Apple Vision Pro's revolutionary control system. Say goodbye to handheld gadgets and embrace a world where your eyes, hands, and voice become the ultimate navigators. It's all about gestures, baby. Gestures on the Apple Vision Pro are like magic spells for your hands. Forget buttons, you're the wizard controlling everything by tapping the thumb and the index finger together. It's like having a secret language with your device. Want to navigate an app? Just look at it. Give it a little tap, and boom, you're in. Scrolling through the content is as easy as flicking your fingers, making you feel like a tech sorcerer. Plus, the Apple Vision Pro has these special cameras that track your hands and eyes, almost like having your own personal wizard's assistant. So basically, what you do is, you look at an app, tap your fingers, and it responds like it's reading your mind, and the coolest part is that there's no need for a controller. Your hands are the magic wand. Number 8. Optic ID security. Securing our list at number 8 is the Optic ID feature. Move over Face ID, the Apple Vision Pro scans your unique iris pattern for unlocking, secure transactions, and futuristic authentication. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is like having a magical key that only recognizes you. Imagine your eyes are the key to unlocking the wonders of your device. The Apple Vision Pro uses these super smart infrared lights and cameras to scan your irises. These colorful circles in your eyes are like your personal passcodes. It's a bit like a mix of Face ID and Touch ID, but this time, it's all about your unique eye patterns. Optic ID becomes your guardian, ensuring that only you can unlock your Apple Vision Pro. Of course, if you plan to get one and pay $3,499 for it. Whether it's for securing your device, making purchases, or replacing those forgettable passwords, Optic ID is the guardian of your magical tech kingdom. Your eyes hold the key to a world of wonders in the Apple Vision Pro. Number 7. Vision Pro Design Brilliance. Coming in at number 7 is the stunning design of the Apple Vision Pro. This is not just a headset, it's a fashion statement. With a ski goggle-like design, laminated glass, and customizable light seals, you're not just wearing tech, you're making a statement. The jaw-dropping design of an Apple Vision Pro is a sleek marvel that sits on your head like a futuristic crown, redefining the game of wearables and VR/AR headsets. The Apple Vision Pro resembles a pair of high-end ski goggles, marrying a singular piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass with a sophisticated aluminum alloy frame. It's a work of art made by the design team and engineers at Apple. The design doesn't stop there. Enter the light seal, a soft and fitted marvel that magically attaches to the frame, wrapping your face and blocking out any unwanted light. The 3D knitted headband, breathable and cushiony, ensures a snug fit, making you forget you're wearing tech on your head. And for those fashionists who crave variety, fear not. Light seals and headbands come in multiple sizes and are swappable, letting you customize your look as per your mood. Comfort? Checked. Style? Absolutely. Number 6. Innovative 3D camera awesomeness. At number 6, we have the game-changing 3D camera that lets you capture your memories in a whole new dimension. The Apple Vision Pro's 3D camera lets you record spatial videos, adding an incredible depth to your personal moments. It's like reliving memories in person. This isn't your ordinary camera. It's a game changer. Imagine capturing your memories in a way that adds a whole new dimension. Literally. With a simple tap on the device, you can unleash the power of the 3D camera, allowing you to record 3D videos and snap photos like never before. It's not just about freezing a moment. It's about reliving it in a way that's immersive and lifelike. The Apple Vision Pro's 3D camera will let you turn your memories into something extraordinary that you can revisit after years and years. You can relive those old moments with loved ones and family members even if they are no longer physically present in this world. There are certainly notable advantages and potential drawbacks to using this technology, and the 3D camera for capturing and sharing memories of loved ones. Comment below with your thoughts on this feature. Number 5. Spatial Audio Immersion. Diving into the middle of our list at number 5 is the immersive spatial audio. The Apple Vision Pro speakers are not just speakers. They're audio pods delivering surround sound like never before. This will deliver an audio experience that adapts to your surroundings. This is a cutting-edge audio technology that creates an immersive and three-dimensional sound experience for users. Unlike traditional audio systems, spatial audio is designed to mimic the way sounds are heard in the real world, providing a sense of directionality and depth. The Apple Vision Pro achieves this by using advanced algorithms to track the movement of the user's head and adjust the audio accordingly, making it seem as if the sound is coming from specific locations in the virtual or augmented environment. This innovative feature enhances the overall sensory experience, making entertainment, communication, and gaming on the Apple Vision Pro more engaging and lifelike. Whether you're watching a movie, having a video call, or playing games, spatial audio adds a new layer of realism to the auditory aspect of your mixed reality and virtual reality experience. Number 4. Powerful M2 chip. At number 4, we're talking about the brains behind the Apple Vision Pro. Sporting the M2 chip and a new R1 chip, this device ensures seamless graphics, efficient algorithms, and responsive input processing. It's a powerhouse that sets it apart in the realm of augmented and virtual reality devices. At its core, the device is equipped with not one, but 2 cutting-edge processors, the M2 chip, also found in the Mac, and the new R1 chip. The M2 chip, known for its capabilities in the Mac lineup, takes charge of executing computer vision algorithms, delivering graphics, and running the Vision OS operating system. On the other hand, the R1 chip is dedicated to processing inputs from the myriad of cameras, sensors, and microphones integrated into the Vision Pro. The Vision Pro is like having a powerful MacBook on your head to deliver a high-performance augmented and virtual reality experience. Number 3. Apple Vision Pro Battery Pack. Due to weight constraints, the Apple Vision Pro skips in the built-in battery and opts for an external battery pack. It's a unique approach that keeps you powered up on the go. This will allow users to enjoy up to 2 hours of uninterrupted immersive experiences on a single charge. This innovative design decision aimed at avoiding direct integration into the headset due to weight considerations. Providing flexibility and portability, the braided cable connects the headset to the battery pack worn at the hip, offering a hassle-free solution for extended usage. For users seeking prolonged adventures in the spatial realms, the Apple Vision Pro ensures that the magic doesn't stop. As the device can be easily powered by simply plugging it into an adapter or swapping out the battery pack, the user-friendly approach to power management aligns with Apple's commitment to deliver cutting-edge technology with focus on user convenience and experience. Number 2. Health monitoring aspects. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 are the health monitoring aspects of the Apple Vision Pro. The device not only entertains, but cares for your well-being. Apple envisions the Pro as a mental health tracker, using facial expressions and eye tracking to detect emotions. Plus, it might even monitor physical health indicators. Number 1. Mixed reality magic. Grabbing the top spot at number 1 is the mixed reality of the Apple Vision Pro. This device is not just an augmented reality or virtual reality device. It's both. A device that seamlessly blends digital content with the real world. Apple's innovative use of cameras and sensors creates an experience where your surroundings disappear. and you're fully immersed in a virtual wonderland. This new tech product stands at the forefront of augmented and virtual reality capabilities, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. You can effortlessly transition between augmented reality and virtual reality experiences, offering you an immersive journey like never before. With its intricate array of over a dozen cameras and sensors, the headset maps and understands your surrounding environment, providing a seamless blend of digital content with the real world. Whether it's projecting 3D windows and objects into your immediate space during AR mode, or offering a fully immersive VR experience by shutting out the physical surroundings, the Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking device that redefines the possibilities of spatial computing. The versatile headset, equipped with gesture controls, eye tracking, and voice commands, empowers users to interact naturally with the digital realm, creating a transformative and interactive AR/VR landscape. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a gateway to a new era of spatial computing experiences. And there you have it, the top 10 mind-blowing features of the Apple Vision Pro. Did any of these features surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. Are you planning to get the Apple Vision Pro, or do you think it's too expensive? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Vision Pro videos, and share it with your friends.